Learn in One, the place to learn more.
Hey guys, welcome to Learn in One. Thanks for watching this video from the series of open source free software. Today I would like to discuss first about operating system, the free operating system that you can install in your computer. At the moment, there are three very famous operating systems that we can install in our computer. So the first operating system that everyone get into their computer is Windows, which is cheap and very user friendly. The second operating system is Mac OS, which we can get only when we buy the Apple desktop or laptop computers. And the another operating system which I prefer personally is Linux operating system. It's always free and more productive as well. The Linux OS is very old and used across the devices. So when I say Linux, you might be think that how it can be desktop, because usually Linux can be black and white screen, right? Yes, you are correct. Linux is black and white screen, but let me stop you there and explain how the Linux can be the desktop OS. In general, there are Linux operating systems like Red Hat, OpenSUSE, Ubuntu, Debian and CentOS. So these are the very famous operating systems. Linux operating systems are capable to run on any devices. Can be high configuration of servers or low-end mobile devices. Fine. So these operating systems are naturally black and white, but on top of these operating systems there are distributions that gives you graphical user interface. For example, KDE Plasma, Genome, Mate, Cinnamon, LXDE and XFC. So these are the very famous desktop environments loaded on top of Linux operating system. Each desktop environment has its own unique features and also the software centers where you can go and download. But there are third-party providers who take the operating system and build their own design on top of this. Because when I say Linux, everything is open source, right? So anybody can take any distribution and they can start designing their own personalized desktop environment. Now let me give you the list of very famous community that are giving a very good operating system for free, and it's very user friendly as well. As the Ubuntu is very famous in the server list, it's also giving us the personalized desktop environments such as Ubuntu operating system on top of Genome as a default desktop environment, and also other desktop environments like Xubuntu, which is on top of XCFE, and then Kubuntu, which is on top of KDE Plasma, and Mate, Ubuntu Mate, which is on top of Mate desktop environment, Lubuntu, which is on top of LXDE. So these are the operating systems with the desktop user interface are available from Ubuntu server, which you can go and download. Each has their own specific features. So for example, if you have a very old system, go ahead and download the Lubuntu. If you want this operating system that should act very fast, then go and download Xubuntu or Mate. So in nature, all these operating systems are very fast and it give you very personalized experience as well. Now under Red Hat, there is a very famous distributions called Fedora. Along with this, there are third-party providers like Elementary OS, Linux Mint. All have taken the Ubuntu as a base operating system and they're building on with the personalized desktop environments for the better experience. Personally, I'm using Elementary OS and it's very awesome, very easy and user friendly. You can go ahead and download it, use it, fine. But how you can go and download the operating system? So once you decided which operating system you are going to download, then directly go to the download page, use either direct download or torrent download. Once you got the operating system downloaded in your device, go ahead and flash that operating system, the ISO image on the USB drive. To flash the ISO image on the USB drive, you can use the Edger, the Baleno Edger. That something will work on your Windows machine. So just download and flash it on your device, then go ahead and install on your system. Believe me, the installation steps will be very easy and it guide you as well. You can also install this operating system parallelly so that you don't need to get rid of Windows. Hope you like this video. I will come up with another free software in the next series. Until then, goodbye.